Hi everybody, hope you're all okay. Tonight I've got something a little bit different for you all. Instead of the usual subscription box or mystery box, I've actually got a swap box. Now, I used to do swaps all the time, like with different countries, like I send them a box. Excuse me. They send me a box. But then along came COVID and the restrictions on mail, travel, things like that. So a lot of them got stopped in the groups. But now that restrictions are easing a little bit, the swaps seem to be coming back on, and I'm doing my first one in quite a while. So I arranged a swap with a lady called Sarah. Sarah lives in Germany. So I sent her a box and she sent me this huge box here. And I'll just give you a little glimpse of, there is so much stuff inside this one. It's probably going to take me a while to unbox it up. But yeah, let's go. So we agreed on the budget, I think it was around £40, and we said we'd send like things like snacks and souvenirs, makeup, beauty bits, things that we both like. We do tend to have similar interests, so I'm just gonna kind of empty everything out and show you all what I got. So just sort this microphone thing out and then let's get on with it. There we go. Right, so first item, we got some Pom Bear, ketchup style crackers. Get these ones here, tomato. I'm really good tomato ketchup ones anyway. I know I have some in only green. They're normally like a cheese and onion flavour. As you can see, it's ketchup. So that's the first one. And then we've got some fish chips, paprika. I've not seen those before. I'm looking at the size of the bags. I've got a huge bag. So we've got those. I'm not going to actually get anything because it's like nearly 11 o'clock at night, if not 11 already. I've got a lot of wrap things in here too. So I'm just thinking about things that aren't wrapped for now. Oh wow. So we've got all these lovely chocolate lollies there. I'm pretty sure the kids will help me with those. It's quite a big pack of chocolate lollies. Kind of like Easterish really, isn't it? Very cute. We've got, what have we got? Oh, okay. Never heard of these. We've got some Mamba. I'm assuming these are like fruity chews by the looks of things. Let's just open and find out because I haven't got a clue. Yeah, okay. So they're like little packs. Kind of like Chewits maybe. Like a chewy little snack in different flavours. So these are like a raspberry kind of look to them. And there's all different ones in there, I think. It's got like fruit all over the packet, so I can only assume that's what they are. So there's those. I think I'm so much bigger overseas, doesn't it? I mean, look, we've got some Haribo, and even they're bigger than the bags we get. So what have we got? Pico Bella, never heard of those. Like little footballs, kind of like football toffee thing there. And then, I'm sorry, just one sec. It is 11 o'clock by the way. Haribo Gold Baron. These look fruity and fizzy, I think. I don't read German, but I'm assuming, just by looking, they look like fizzy sour ones in there. Okay, giving them a little bit, like I say, wrapped, so I'll open those up in a minute. Ooh, hello. And no chocolate, classic. Not much info on those. I have a go through. They look like Wotsits, but maybe like a different flavour. And again, a huge bag. There's like 200 grams in there. And do we get bags like that? There's those. And then she has sent me a note. Yep. She says, thank you so much for doing the swap with me. Hope you're well. Like everything. And that I'll reach you soon. And then she said she just misses the swaps like I did too, from Sarah, and Happy Easter. I think I forgot to put a note in hers, but oh well. There's that. Okay. Waffle Aya. I think this is more like a biscuit. I'm not going to open them because I don't know if they're all wrapped inside or not. But there's those, which look like kind of macaroons, maybe chocolate kind of things. Waffle, I am sure they're lovely. I'm sure we'll try it all tomorrow. And then I've got a lot of wrap gifts in here. More sweets. Some gummies, like a gummy kind of chews there. Different flavours again on the back, you can see there. So yep, we've got lots of sweet stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start unwrapping some of these because there's quite a lot of them. Lots of little wrap gifts for me. Get them all out. Is that everything? That's everything. Yeah, okay. Just put that box over there. So I'm kind of like knocking everything over now. Okay. So we'll start with a little one. I think they're going to be like big makeup and souvenirs kind of things, these. Ooh, what we've got here. Nice wrapping paper too. I'll show you. It's kind of cute with hearts on. So, oh, we've got a mascara. It's sealed at the top, so yeah, it says Lash Princess on it. I'm assuming it's black. Yeah, it says mascara at the bottom. I'm not going to open it just yet because it'll take me forever to get that plastic off. So there's that one. Just put the rubbish over here. It feels like Christmas. Oh, okay. What's we got here? We've got some. Yeah, we've got some like face masks and things, I think. Bali, yeah, I love that brand. So we've got this one, gel mask. And Bali mask. There. Salted caramel, lovely. We've got the Magic Wonderland. That one. And then there's two more here. One's got a koala on it. Balia is a brand that I've had before. Told you what to do on the back too with those, and just really nice brand. Everything just smells so good. Okay, so I think this is like maybe another mascara or it's lips, lovely. Ooh, she's certainly got the colour right because that is like really pretty. Again, it's sealed, so I'm not going to mess about this time getting the seal off to test it. But yeah, that certainly is the colour that I wear. That is very pretty. And see if it's got a brand. Yeah, it says Trend It Up Super Smooth Click Lipstick. So it's that one. Shame taking this lovely paper off, isn't it? Get the paper off, there it is. Oh, there we go, she wrapped them really well. Ooh, what's this? Rose. I think this is a lip balm, maybe. Can't be too sure, but it certainly looks like it. Yep, I think it's a lip balm. Again, it's kind of like a really light pink. Could even be a lipstick. So there's that one. Something to open. Oh, definitely like Christmas this. Excuse me. Oh. Small paper, it's like past the parcel, this one. So So it's taken me a while to open this. There we are. Okay, so we've got this eye palette. It says eye palette, so yeah, very pretty colours there. So it kind of goes from this goldy colour to the pinks to kind of this more smoky purple and grey there. That's very pretty, I do like that. Okay, got a little one here. Feel like a tube. Ooh, got a lip scrub in Juicy Orange. See if I can. No, it's sealed too. Sounds delicious. A few more to open now. Okay, I'll open the big ones at the end. And then we have, what we got in here? Ooh, it's another one. Let's see if there's this tissue paper. It's something round, I think, not circular. Ooh, wow, that is a big bronzer. Look at that for a bronzer. That's like huge. You don't get them that big over here. It's Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder for light skin. A lovely colour. Okay, and two more, I think. Sure I've not dropped any on the way. Oh, she's got quite a lot of stuff in. Wow. Ooh. Oh yeah, she sent me like some bath salts from Balea, which are really, really nice scents. I remember, I think I've had that one and that is just gorgeous. I'm not going to open them all over my room. There's this one. Obviously, I'm not too sure what they say, but they're all kind of like fruity, bath salty things. Quite a few there. They're lovely. I can't wait to use these. Okay, and then the final one is one of the bigger ones. Let's have a look. Ooh, hello. We have got some bath bombs. I can actually smell them without even opening them. They smell like really lovely. So there's those. And that's everything that I got off Sarah. So just a little recap so I can put everything away. Just grab a box. Okay, so I've got the bath bombs. Actually, no, I'm not going to use that box because it's a bit worse for wear. The bath bombs, I've got the bath salts. All these. I got the makeup, the bronzer, eyeshadow, lip products, more, the Balea face mask. Mascara, and then all of these wonderful snacky bits, crispies, chocolate lollies, I think they like chews, Converse, Haribos, and yep, that's it. So yep, I'm really happy with my first swap. I hope to get many more. If you want to learn where swap groups are, I'll put some info below. Mainly via Facebook. You have to kind of request to join, and then you can match up with someone. There's quite a few groups that I'm in, but as I said, a lot of them have been a bit dead with COVID and all the restrictions on sending, but hopefully they're getting back to normal. So thank you for watching as always, and good night. Bye bye.